Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on INFINIX Zero 40. So let's go into the gallery. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Tap on the three dots to the right corner and now tap on hide. Hide. Now you have to create a privacy password. Unless you have previously set it up a lock screen password, but pattern, next step, repeat it, okay. And now go into albums, and now you just have to go into X hide, draw unlock pattern and pictures, and here is our hidden picture. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.